Hey everyone, and welcome back to. Today we're whisking you away to the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and some of the most stunning landscapes on earth. Greece. Picture yourself wandering through ancient ruins, kissed by the Aegean breeze, diving into crystal clear waters, or sipping coffee in charming villages. Greece offers an unforgettable experience for every kind of traveler, so grab your sunscreen, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore our top 5 picks for your Greek getaway. First on our list is the postcard-perfect island, Santorini. This captivating island is a spectacle of nature's raw power, showcasing dramatic cliffs and volcanic black sand beaches. Santorini is also known for its iconic whitewashed houses with blue domes, painting a picture of tranquil beauty. Its charming villages, such as Oia and Fira, are a treasure trove of sights, tastes, and experiences. Don't miss out on the boat tours to the volcanic hot springs. Santorini, with its volcanic Majesty, is a must-visit for every Greece itinerary. Next up is the island known for its vibrant nightlife and beautiful beaches, Mykonos. This jet-setter's paradise pulsates with energy, drawing in partygoers from around the globe to its famed beaches, Paradise Beach and Super Paradise Beach. But the allure of Mykonos extends beyond its parties. The island's town, with its iconic windmills and Mykonos extends beyond its parties. The island's town, with its iconic windmills and maze-like streets lined with whitewashed houses and trendy boutiques, offers a charming retreat. Mykonos, with its cosmopolitan atmosphere, is a paradise for beach and party lovers. No trip to Greece is complete without experiencing the historical wonders of Athens. We begin with the Acropolis, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greece, before marveling at the Parthenon, a symbol of Athenian democracy. We then lose ourselves in the ancient Agora, once a bustling marketplace. Finally, a stroll through the charming Plaka neighborhood, with its quaint tavernas and souvenir shops, caps off our Athenian journey. Athens, a city that takes you on a walk through history, is an absolute must-visit. Crete, the largest Greek island, is our next stop. A paradise boasting stunning beaches like the pink sands of Elafonici and the turquoise waters of Balos Lagoon. But it's not just about sun and sea. History enthusiasts will be thrilled by the Knossos archaeological site, a testament to the ancient Minoan civilization. And let's not forget the unique flavors of Cretan cuisine, a gastronomic delight featuring fresh seafood and local produce. Crete, with its beautiful beaches and historical treasures, offers a diverse experience for every traveler. Last but not least, we have Naxos, a hidden gem in the Cyclades. Imagine tranquil beaches like Agios Prokopios, where the turquoise waters gently lap against the shore. Picture quaint villages, their whitewashed houses adorned with vibrant, colorful doors, offering a glimpse into the authentic Greek way of life. And don't forget the Portara, the great door of an unfinished temple of Apollo, standing majestically against the backdrop of stunning sunsets. Naxos, with its relaxed atmosphere and authentic Greek culture, is a must-visit for a unique Greek experience. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for an unforgettable Greek adventure. From the volcanic majesty of Santorini to the jet-setters' paradise of Mykonos, the historical wonders of Athens, the beaches and Minoan mysteries of Crete, and the Cycladic charm of Naxos, there's a corner of Greece perfectly suited to every traveler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which destination excites you the most. We hope this video inspired you to explore the magic of Greece.